Okay, for these right here, we're filling in the blank for an equivalent ratio. Now, a ratio has basically infinite equivalent ratios. But the easiest thing is to always start off with the simplest form. Now, in this case right here, they give us something to 7 is equal to 8 to 14. Now, I think the easiest way to do this, let's look at number 3, is to make this one simplest form. The greatest common factor of 8 and 14 is going to be 2, and that's going to make it 4 to 7. Now, you can see right here it actually gave us the simplified version that worked out. So something to 7 is going to be 4, so that one worked out for us. Let's look at this next one. 7 to 14, greatest common factor 7 and 14 is going to be 7. So that's going to be equivalent to 1 to 2, because 7 goes into itself one time, it goes into 14 two times. Now we want to figure out the equivalent value of 1 to 2 is to something to 12. So 2 goes into 12 6 times. So that means they took the right number and they multiplied it times 6. So they took 1 to 2 and they made it to 12. So 2 times 6 is 12. So whatever you do with one of the quantities, you have to do the other. So 1 times 6 is going to be 6. So 1 to 2 is the same as 6 to 12. 4 to 3, let's go down. 4 to 3 is already fully reduced. So 3 times 2 is 6, so we need to multiply 4 times 2 to get 8. So 8 to 6 is equal to 4 to 3. 4 to 2 is the same as 20 to what? Well, 20. Actually, I'm going to do this one in reverse right there. I'm going to put it below it. So 20 to, well, 4 times 5 is 20, so 2 times 5 is going to be 10. Hopefully you see how to do this, but the easiest way to do it is to always reduce it first. 12 to 24 is got a greatest common factor of 6, which is going to get us 2 to 4. Actually, it has a greatest common factor of 12. What am I doing here? Sorry about that. Greatest common factor is 12. 12 goes into itself one time, goes into 24 two times. So 1 to 2 is equivalent to 32 to what? So 1 times 32 is 32, so 2 times 32 is going to be 64. Hopefully you see how to do this. We're finding equivalent ratios. We had done this using tables in class the other day. We took like 1 to 2 and 2 to 4, 3 to 6, 4 to 8, something like that. Those are all equivalent ratios. They're ratios with different quantities, but they have the same ratio value. Thank you.